Hello, everyone. Welcome to our exclusive selection of the top Breitling watches for the year. In this carefully curated list, we delve into the realm of Breitling timepieces, showcasing watches that seamlessly blend Swiss craftsmanship with cutting-edge technology. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Number 5. Breitling Avenger BlackBird. The Breitling Avenger BlackBird is an exceptional timepiece renowned for its rugged sophistication. Encased in sleek black titanium, it exudes strength and modernity. Its standout feature is the stealthy, matte black appearance, which not only enhances its aesthetic appeal but also reduces reflections during covert missions. The watch features a unidirectional rotating bezel, ensuring precise timing and versatility for various tasks. With luminescent hands and markers, it offers excellent readability in low-light conditions. Powered by a precise automatic movement, it guarantees accuracy and dependability. The Avenger BlackBird is more than just a watch. It's a symbol of power and precision, perfect for those who appreciate a blend of stealth and style in their timepiece. Number 4. Breitling Premier Heritage. The Breitling pays tribute to the brand's rich history with a timeless blend of elegance and functionality. Encased in polished stainless steel, these watches exude a classic and sophisticated charm. The standout feature is their vintage-inspired design, reminiscent of mid-20th century Breitling timepieces. The Premier Heritage Collection offers various models, including chronographs and 3 hand watches, each with its unique character and style. With their luminescent hands and markers, they ensure exceptional legibility. Powered by automatic movements, they promise accuracy and reliability. The Breitling Premier Heritage is more than a watch. It's a nod to the brand's heritage and a statement of timeless elegance for those who appreciate tradition and timeless design. Number 3. Breitling Avenger Seawolf watch. The Breitling Avenger Seawolf is a rugged and robust watch designed for adventurers and deep-sea explorers. Encased in stainless steel, it boasts a bold and masculine design that exudes strength. Its standout feature is its extraordinary water resistance, capable of withstanding depths of up to 3,000 meters, making it one of the most water-resistant watches in the world. The watch features a unidirectional rotating bezel for precise dive timing, luminescent markers and hands for optimal readability, and a helium escape valve for saturation diving. Powered by a reliable automatic movement, it offers precision and reliability, even in the harshest underwater environments. The Avenger Seawolf is more than a watch. It's a symbol of courage and exploration, perfectly suited for those who dare to venture into the abyss. Number 2. Breitling Navitimer Cosmonaut. The Breitling Navitimer Cosmonaut is a timepiece with an illustrious history in space exploration. Encased in stainless steel, it represents a harmonious blend of elegance and functionality. Its standout feature is the 24-hour dial, which was specifically designed for astronaut Scott Carpenter and worn during the Aurora 7 spaceflight in 1962, making it the first wristwatch to travel in space. The watch's famous slide rule bezel adds to its aviation legacy. With luminescent markers and hands, it ensures excellent readability. Powered by a precise automatic movement, the Navitimer Cosmonaut is more than a watch. It's a symbol of human achievement and a timeless tribute to space exploration. Number 1. Breitling Endurance Pro. The Breitling is a high-performance sports watch designed for athletes and adventurers. Encased in lightweight yet robust Breitling material, it's incredibly durable and comfortable for activewear. Its standout feature is the precision super quartz movement, providing unparalleled accuracy and performance. The watch also includes practical features like a chronograph, bidirectional rotating bezel, and a vibrant dial with easy-to-read markers. With a range of vibrant colors to choose from, it's a stylish accessory for any activity. The Endurance Pro is more than just a watch. It's a reliable companion for those who demand both style and functionality in their sports timepiece.